Today we are going to deal with the skew lines, that is shortest distance between the two skew line. What is the difference between the parallel line and skew line? Right? See, suppose you have two lines, two parallel lines are parallel, L1 and L2, two lines are parallel, and this is the shortest distance, or you can call this is the shortest distance between two parallel line, or is also perpendicular distance between these two, you can call. Now these all are parallel. See, now what do we call? See, I take this, I have to demonstrate through the pen. See, two parallel line, isn't it? Now, if I connect to two parallel line here, the perpendicular distance, suppose I keep one above the other. In spite of that, see, it is coincide, is it not? Parallel line. This is also parallel in these things plane now. Suppose if I cross it, what will happen? They are not parallel, but the perpendicular distance remains same. Correct? Parallel. Now think about the situation in which both are it is not the same way. Look. They are not parallel line, they are intersecting. It is intersecting, but it is above. But one is going like this, one is going like this. Think about the situation. One is going downwards, one is going upward. There is one, but in the aerial view, it is intersecting, is it not? One is going upward, one is going downward. One particular point, at the point of intersection. Right now what? The red and blue is intersecting, is it not? And what is the perpendicular distance? So how to draw this? See, one line is going upward, right? It is going like this. Another somewhere it is coming here. Okay. It is coming. There is a shortest distance, right? This is perpendicular, this is also perpendicular. This is called shortest distance. Can you follow? This is the line L1, this is L2. Two line. Okay. One is going upward, another is coming downward, but there is one particular point from the aerial view, it is intersecting, and this is a perpendicular, this is the shortest distance. Can you follow? This is the first line. Therefore, this line is called skew line. What is called skew line? Skew line is not two lines. They are not parallel. They are going in a different angle. But from the aerial view, it is intersecting. From there, the point of intersection, at the point of intersection where that aerial view, see, one is going upward, one is going downward like this. At the point of, that is a point of intersection. You drop a perpendicular distance, right? This is called shortest distance. And this type of line is called skew line, not parallel line. This is parallel line. This is not, there is intersecting line, but the distance. But one now what will happen? It is going like this. One is going upward, one is going downward, like that. Now, this is the distance, shortest distance. What is the formula? Now I will write it one formula. See here, this line. That is, this line, L1. There is another line going L2, right? And shortest distance is this. Okay. Now, let L1 is one line that is equal to R A1 plus some scalar into B1. This is equation of that line, this L1, and L2 it is going other direction, L2, whose equation is R equal to A2 plus mu B2. That is two line. From aerial view, if you view that, what this particular point, it is intersecting, right? It is crossing, you can call, and this is the shortest distance, right? Shortest distance. And what is the shortest distance? First, the shortest distance is given by a formula. This is length actually is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 dot product. Understood? It is a dot product and unit vector formed by B1 and B2. Unit vector formed by B1 and B2. In other words, I will write it in a detailed way. Shortest distance is equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 and modulus of B1 cross B2. Understood? Now what about the parallel lines? Next, parallel line L1 and L2, two parallel lines. When you can call parallel line, R is equal to A1 plus lambda B, it's not B1, and R is equal to A2 mu B. Here both B are same. Here B1 and B2 different. And such case, this is a distance between the two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines, that is perpendicular distance, is equal to D. Right? This is also called shortest distance. Shortest distance between two parallel lines. Therefore, shortest distance between two parallel lines. Here, just shortest distance between skew line. Shortest distance two line is how much? Here, shortest distance between two parallel lines is given by A2, A1, right? A2, A1, cross product of B unit vector. B unit vector, take the modulus of it. That means A2, A1 vector by its modulus. You understood, no? Now we are going to do the based on this problem. Surely you are getting it. There's a lot of problems based on this. Right? 3 marks. Very, very important this. Okay. The two questions are in this one are important. We'll do these problems. Remember the point. Suppose A dot B cross C. This also can be written as A, B, C. This is called scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. This is also called volume of the parallelepiped, right? Volume of the parallelepiped. It is represented by this one. Okay, it is a determinant value, right? It is not matrix, it is a determinant value. Now, they have asked one question paper. See, question paper they given. They have asked on the 2014. One paper, question paper for just 3 marks. The question reads like this. Find the shortest distance between R equal to I plus j plus lambda 2i minus j plus k, and r equal to 2i plus j minus k plus mu 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Now, here what you observe from this? Here they are not same. Therefore, this is A1, this is A2, B1 and B2. Therefore, this is Q line. Therefore, what is that? A1. A1 is equal to 1, 1, 0. A2 is equal to 2, 1, minus 1. Right? Sometimes if you want, you can write I plus j plus 0k, you can write it. It's a waste of time. A1. Then here B1 is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. B2 3 minus 5, 2. Now A2 minus C. A2 minus A1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. Right? This you are done. And B1 cross B2. Cross product. What is that? I, J, K, 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 5, 2. Now you know how to expand this. What? Plus, minus, plus. Right? That is equal to I, forget this, therefore minus 1 and 2, minus 5, 1. Minus j, 2 2s are 2 into 2, minus 3 into 1, then plus k, 2 into minus 5, 3 into minus 1. Therefore, I, you get what? Minus 2 plus 5 minus j 4 minus 3 plus k minus 10 plus 3. B1 cross B2 is equal to how much? 3i minus j into 1 plus k into minus 7, or B1 cross B2 is equal to 3i minus j minus 7k. Now you have done this. Then what is modulus of B1, B2? Square root of 3 square minus 1 square minus 7 square. That is equal to square root of 9 plus 1 plus 49. Square root of 59. Therefore, B1 square root of 59, I got it. This also. Then what? What is shortest distance? This is I plus 0j minus k. You got it? A2 minus A1. Now what is shortest distance? What is the formula of shortest distance formula? Is equal to A2 minus A1. Put modulus of this dot product of B1 cross B2, okay, by modulus of B1 cross B2. What dot product of these two, right? What is dot product of these two? Here. Look, separately I will work it out. A2 by A1 is equal to what? I plus 0j minus k. Then what? B1 cross B2 is equal to 3a minus j minus 7k. This is equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2. Dot product is what? 1 into 3 plus 0 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 0 plus 7. 10 you have to get. 10. Therefore, this value I separately calculated. Or if you directly can do 1 into 3, 3. And 0 into minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 7, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 you can write it. 10 divided by square root of 59 modulus. Therefore, the shortest distance is equal to 10 by root 59 unit. Now, you have to slowly do it. You know how much mark they give? Writing this up to this calculation. Up to this calculation. Sorting out and calculation. Up to this. That means 1 mark only will be. Writing this formula. Writing this what? 1 mark. And remaining portion, this much is what? 1 mark. On 5, 6 sums, you do the same thing, you get the speed. Now, find the shorter distance between the lines they give. That means actually it is a parallel line. I will tell you why you will parallel lines. They will not write till parallel line. They will give the equation simply like this. R is equal to 2i minus j minus k plus lambda into, they won't give lambda, t something, they give t. T into I minus 2j minus 3k. And R is equal to I minus 2j plus k plus some scalar s I minus 2j minus 3. See, remember this very, very shortcut. Shortest distance I said, right? Shortest distance. D is what? Dot product. Now, for parallel line, two parallel line, no. Two parallel line is not, you write this parallel. This is not a parallel line. This is parallel line, cross product. For parallel line, cross. For parallel, cross. For shorter distance, dot. You understood? Don't get confused with this. Sometime for this they will write cross. But be very, very careful. This is dot, this is cross. Let us see how to do this. Shortest distance. Here what? Your experience says that, see here R, this is A1, T, B1. This is A2 plus S, B2. Now directly you write it. A2 minus A1. Right? What is A2 minus A1? A2, this minus this. 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Minus 2, minus of minus 1 is what? Minus 1. So how I am doing it? Directly I am doing it. The examination you have to do like this only. 1 minus of minus 1, 2. Can you follow? Understood? Here, how much you get? Suppose I will change, see, I will write it plus, I will put it. 2 high, R is equal to minus 2i. Then what you get? You 1 minus 2 minus 2. Therefore, what you get? This is same as minus I minus j minus 2k. It is not necessary to write it. This you remember. And again what? What is b? B is what? Same, is it not? Therefore, it is parallel line. B is I minus 2j minus 3k. Modulus of b is what? Square root of 1 square plus minus 2 square minus 3 square. How much you got it? 1 plus 4 plus 9. Root 14. This is modulus of b. What is the shorter distance between parallel line or two parallel lines? Here you write the two lines. You write two parallel lines. R is equal to A1 plus TB. R is equal to A2 plus SB. No, you did not show all this. This is the shortest distance. Shortest distance is given by a formula. What? A2 minus A1 dot. The unit vector is not unit vector of B. Therefore, vector B. This is cross array divided by modulus of B and modulus of the total. That what do you get? This cross product. What is the cross product of this? That is minus I minus j minus 2k into B is what? B is I minus 2j minus 3k. Cross product. Modulus of B is how much? What is modulus of root 14? No? 1 by root 14 comes out. Then 1 by root 14. You know how to do this. Modulus of this then. Remember. Modulus of this. What is this quantity? Modulus of I, j, k, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 3. You know how to expand it. Right? I'll do it in a short time. Better you do this separately and put it, find the modulus and data. 1 by root 14. What is that? I'll calculate very fast. I may be wrong or something. 3 minus 4 minus j plus minus plus minus j 3 minus plus 2 plus k 2 minus plus 1. Therefore, minus I minus 5j plus 3k and modulus of this is what? Square root of 1 by root 14. 1 by root 14 minus 1 square plus minus 5 square 3 square square root of root 14. The answer comes 1 plus 25 plus 9. 35. 35 by root 14. Is there so much in it? Therefore, we have done two very important sums. Therefore, they may give in any form, right? Calculation is very, very important for you, right? Just to go through that. Or they may not give the formula. They may give another problem. They may give like this. Find the distance between two parallel lines. They may give like this. This is the first line. This is the second line. Now you know how to find out. What is A1? Directly you can do it off. A1 is equal to 1, 0, minus 3. 1, 0, minus 3. A2, 3, minus 1, 1. This is same, no? Therefore, B is what? B is minus 1, 3, 2. Therefore, this should be a parallel. Okay. Therefore, shortest distance is equal to, you know how to write answer, find out the thing, right? The answer you get it around some 285 or something. Just you please do it yourself, right? Only this much is required for you, right? Shortest distance. The next class I am going to do the section formula. What is the section formula? Suppose 2 points are there, A and B. The position vector of A and B is given. Find out this particular point where R is the position vector. Is divide M is to N. What is this? This is given, this is given. Find out this. And midpoint formula. And a problem related to that, we'll do it. Then equation of a plane, we do it. And equation of plane, there are 3 derivations are there. That is more important. Already we have done 2 derivation of the equation of a straight line, which is that what is that point, a line passing through the, this is a point, line passing through the point, and it's parallel to a given vector. And 2-point form also we have done it. 2-point form we have done it. Then angle between the 2 lines we have done this. There is no derivation for that. And now shortest distance and parallel lines. The shortest distance between 2 parallel lines we have done. Next equation of plane we do it. Again we are telling you, stressing you, it is only a A level. A level. When you start doing B level, you can target for 80-90 marks. 80 to 90 marks. When you go for C level, 100 out of 100 is certain. D and D is what? National level and international level. Okay, just first you have a basics, right? Thank you.